Alright, number 7, we have ABC parts. We want to write the result of each of the following in scientific notation. So we're multiplying. We're going to use properties of exponents here. We have 3, well actually 6. Let me just go ahead and do the 3 first. I got it out of order. 3 times 10 to the 13th. And we're multiplying this by 6 times 10 to the 11th. Alright, property of exponent says when the base is the same, you add the exponent. So 13 plus 11 gives us 24. So we have a 10 to the 24th power. And then we'll multiply 3 and 6, and that will give us 18. So we have 18 times 10 to the 24th. Alright. In order to put this in scientific notation, we would have to move the decimal one time, which would add one place here. So this would be 1.8 times 10 to the 25th. Okay, 25th. Okay, because I'm adding a decimal in there. And this would be that number in scientific notation. One. Didn't realize I was cutting off the powers. 1.8 times 10 to the 25th power. Okay, same principles are going to apply here. This time we're doing division, so I need to put them in order this time. So we have 8 times 10 to the 13th. And we're dividing by 4 times 10 to the 4th. Okay. Property of exponent says when you're dividing same base, you subtract the exponent. So 13 minus 4 will give us 10 to the 9th. And then 8 divided by 4 is just 2. So we have 2 times 10 to the 9th. We don't have to move any extra decimals or anything. So scientific notation, 2 times 10 to the 9th. And then part C, 4 10 to the 6th, and then we have 6 times 10 to the 8th, and we're dividing by 12 times 10 to the 12th. Okay, so we're going to do this separately. We're going to do the top first, and then we'll divide. So we'll do 4 times 6, that will give us 24. And then 6 and 8, we're going to add those, same base. By multiplying, we add the exponents. So that would give us times 10 to the 14th. Alright, then we're going to divide by 12 times 10 to the 12th. And 24 divided by 12 gives us 2. And then with the exponents, we will subtract. 14 minus 12 will give us 10 to the 2nd power. So this number would just be 200, or 2 times 10 to the 2nd, when you apply those properties of exponents.